Okay, I'm Gianni, and I am going to attempt to change this lock. I don't know anything about changing locks, but this is the kit that I purchased. Everything is in here. I got this from Walmart, and it was about $20. So, we'll see how it goes. Okay, this is the lock that I'm going to change. This is in my garage. This is Yams. So, I'm gonna add this little screwdriver here. Okay. How far is it? Well, actually, okay, wait. Okay, wait. We're gonna unlock it first, because that makes sense to do. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna take this off. Okay. This looks a lot longer than the screws that the kit came with, but we'll see. And obviously the kit that I picked is an exterior door kit. Okay, that's what it looks like. Good job, Kai, with the camera. Oh, okay, so that's what it looks like. Okay. So I'm kind of not going off of instructions because I feel like it looks pretty normal. It looks like pretty, not normal, but self-explanatory, I guess. But maybe I'll have to revisit that in a second. Okay, so this would be going here, and this would be going here. So I wasn't even gonna do this, but then I called my uncle and he was like, oh, it's so easy. You can do it. And I don't know if this doesn't even seem like it fits. Okay, so we might have a slight problem because this doesn't look like it fits. Okay, this fits in here well though. So now my mom was like, you just need to let him do it, and she was probably right about that. Kai, what are you doing? What kind of videoing is this? You're just videoing the lock, not me.
Oh, you want to do anything with the lock?
Okay, so maybe this will make a difference if I...
It's a
All right.
Yams, go.
Okay, so right now I'm trying to make this lock go out, but it doesn't look like I can do that. So, oh shoot. Okay, I think I'm supposed to take this whole thing out because my kit has, duh. Okay, I need to take this out. That was so silly. What's wrong? Okay, first off, okay, I was about to say, I know I'm not that weak. But this is like,
It's probably very old.
yeah.
Yams, back up.
Okay.
Yams is the cat, by the way. Go check out his TikTok. Yams the cat.
All right. Okay. Excellent.
And go
So-
to his online clothing shop.
Yes, that's on his TikTok. Kai, I need you to stand so that you can see. Watch out, please.
Who is Kai?
Okay. So now
My name is Jamal.
I need to put this hardware in. Oh my gosh. I'm feeling like, no, Yams. I'm feeling like I probably shouldn't be doing this. I definitely should have waited. But,
For Uncle Vinny.
yep. But, unfortunately, I don't know. Maybe it's not that bad.
You wanted to be a handyman. I mean, a handy woman. Whatever it's called.
Maybe. What is this? Okay. Okay.
Quarter.
So, what is this? I don't know. And what is? Okay, wait. Okay. Okay. So, let me see something. I hope you're getting good footage and not footage that's all over the place. Because I feel like you're kind of being all over the place right now. That's how I'm feeling. I could be wrong though. I could be wrong.
You're not giving me good footage to film.
All you have to do is film the lock.
So you want them to just look straight at the lock for 10 or 15 minutes?
Yes. Because that's the point of this video. So what are you filming right now?
The lock, Mom.
Okay, just making sure. Okay, let's see. Alright, this is going in for some reason. Okay. So, we're going to take a pause, and I'm going to read the instructions, and then I'll tell you what I did.
I think that's what we should have been doing.
Did you pause it? Okay, so what I did here is I just drilled these two in. My lock is not going on like this. It won't fit, but it'll fit like this, which is upside down. So I don't know if it's a user error. That's a high possibility, or I don't know if they did it wrong. So I'm gonna say, for the purposes of my video, that they did it wrong, and I'm just gonna put it on like this.
Okay.
So now I am going to, excuse me, I'm going to put on this lock here. Okay, and as you can see, once I drill it, the lock will work.
Nice.
Oh, there we go. Okay. So I'm going to put in my screws. These are screws that I use. Uh-oh. Okay. There we go. Let's see. Okay, wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Mario, stay.
Okay, I have this, but now it is seeming like I don't have it. Okay, might need to take another, what do you call it?
Break.
Intermission? Why is it doing that? Okay, I hope you're filming correctly and not on your phone, because that's not what you're supposed to be doing. Right now, we're filming a tutorial.
Wow. This tutorial is a tutorial.
Oh, good one. Okay. I just wonder why it's doing this. Okay, intermission. Okay, so I fixed it. However, I use these screws instead of using the ones from the kit, because I don't know why those didn't work. I used the old ones, and basically I just had to figure out. Yams is in here, just in case you see him. I had to figure out, and I just want to show you guys. How to place the lock on here exactly. So here's, it looks like a cross. Just line it up. But for some reason, when I was trying to line it up, it was not working. And hopefully it works again since we're recording. So, put these on. You don't have to be that close. Okay. Alright. And voila. Okay. So that's good. Plus, this kit comes with 3 keys, and I tried it with the key, so I know that it works. So that's the first part. Okay, now for over here, let me see this. Now for over here, clearly the lock is upside down. There was no way that I could, I don't know what was going on with it. Again, could be user error. I am not a handyman. But at the end of the day, it works. Ooh, that's a little close, sorry. So just to show you that it works. Boom. There we go. So next we're gonna be filming, taking this off and replacing that. Oh. I didn't hear. I'm gonna take, oops. Okay, wait. Sorry. Okay, never mind. I'm gonna try to use a screwdriver. Because interesting. Okay, this is working better. I'm already feeling very proud of myself because, again, I don't, how come the flash isn't on? I don't know. Was it on the other one? Anyway, I'm feeling very proud of myself because, like I said, I don't like fix or repair or change anything. And the fact that I've been able to figure this out is pretty cool. How do I get that part out though? Okay, pause for a second. Okay, and we are going to, okay, yeah. Okay, that's a little bit too difficult for me. So I'm gonna just, whoa. Okay, why isn't this coming out? Oh. Ow. Wow, this is pretty crazy that even this is not getting it out. Okay, cool. Just how to add a little muscle.
That you don't have.
Cap. Okay. Alright, so I got that out. Oops. Okay, so now we're gonna put the new hardware in. And for some reason it gave me these. I don't know what that's for.
Nice.
Nope, I don't think so.
Just look.
I don't think that's what it's for.
I think it is because the other one is for this one.
Yeah, but you see how this was the only one on? So that's the only one on. You get it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So. Okay. What? Okay. We're gonna try this. Oops. Okay, that's not right. Yeah. Okay, wait. This doesn't really seem like it's on. Like straight. We're just gonna see. Maybe the person that put it on first didn't do it correctly. So I wonder if I should start down here. Oh, duh. Okay, wait. Okay, nothing's happening, so just gonna put it on the top one because I don't know what's going on with that. What's wrong, man? Okay, why isn't this working? Okay, alright. So, you can pause it for a second. Okay, so I screwed up, no. I screwed in the top. I'm not gonna screw in the bottom because for some reason it's not working. So now we're going to put on
The doorknobs.
Where's the camera, bro? Okay, yeah, the doorknob.
What is you talking about?
Hi, viewer. Your film skills is lacking.
I know you not talking. Your handyman skills are non-existent.
So let's try to just.
We play the Dolphins right now.
Okay.
I think.
All right. Okay. This door.
And we get to watch it.
Excellent. This doorknob is not currently turning. So. Oops. Guys, stop. This is my tutorial. You think people want to hear that?
Yes.
No, I don't. Okay, boom. Now it's working. So we're gonna screw in here, excuse me. So while we weren't filming, Kylan asked me what his payment was gonna be. And I said knowledge, and I thought that was so funny. And I think other parents would think that's funny too. He didn't want to say it on camera, so I just told everybody.
Well, the other day,
I'm very funny.
The other day, she asked me where her glasses were when they were right on her face, like a clown, like a goofy goober.
That doesn't have anything to do with what we're talking about now. But cool story. Okay, so right now just trying to screw this in, but it seems a little difficult. Why didn't you put the flash on?
I never took no flash off, Mommy.
Kai, there's no flash though.
I didn't take it off.
I didn't say you did. I'm saying that there was a flash when we started filming and now there's not. So something obviously happened. And if you're the only one that's filming, then you happened to it.
No. You were filming for like 2 seconds for yourself, so it's probably you.
Okay, pause. Okay, yeah, it's okay. I see. So I got one side on, so I'm just going to screw on the other side over here. So it's kind of strange that I have to open up a new thing. But I guess I will. I'm just gonna use this one because I don't know where the other one is. And again, I'm sure everything is in this kit, but I could have dropped it. Pause it. So I just wanted to show everyone that the door does work. Yay. This does too. Okay. Yay. And so I would say that my tutorial is more so for if I can do it, you can do it, and less of an actual instructional video. So I hope this helps.